iyong katanungan? Oo nga. Babasahin natin ng 2 beses para sa iyo. Tonight, we celebrate beauty beyond gowns and makeup. What is the most beautiful quality of the members of the LGBTQ plus community that often goes unnoticed? I repeat. Tonight, we celebrate beauty beyond the gowns and makeup. What is the most beautiful quality of the members of the LGBTQ plus community that often goes unnoticed?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, tonight we celebrate beauty, and especially we are celebrating such an amazing festivity here in the town of Quezon Nueva Ecija. The question is asking me, what beautiful quality of an LGBTQIA plus community are sometimes left unnoticed? You know what? The first thing that really comes to me is that being strong. Because we were strong despite everything that we have faced. We are strong despite of the adversities that we have been fighting for the longest times in our lives. Every time we open our doors, we step outside, discrimination, people have been continuously judging us, that's what we are facing. But that's not yet the best that we have. Because I believe that the best quality of an LGBT member is being a leader. We are leaders, but we are unnoticed. Look around you. There are so many people who are part of the LGBT community who are really marching, championing, and leading our country. In the field of entertainment, we have the most popular people in the Philippines who are part of the LGBT community. Beside our strongest politicians, the LGBT community is there. In the field of beauty, in the field of glamour, down to the professional world, LGBT people are leading. But we remain unnoticed. We were not sufficient for the eyes of the people. We are most of the time neglected. Why do I think so? Simply because people tend to be blind. People act to be blind. Kahit lantaran naman ang gagaling, kahit lantaran naman ang tatalino at ang huhusay ng mga miyembro ng LGBT community, nagbubulag-bulagan ng mga tao dahil sa isang simpleng bagay. We are not politically and lawfully recognized in the Philippines. And that, I think, is one thing that we should really focus on. There are so many talented and educated professional LGBT members. There are so many LGBT members who has the potential to be at the peak of their career. But because we are not politically recognized, but because we are not lawfully acknowledged by this country, we remain unnoticed. But you know what's the most beautiful thing about that? No matter how we are unnoticed, we thrive for the success. We continue to bring prosperity in our country because that's how beautiful LGBT is. Kahit hindi tayo nakikita, kahit hindi tayo napapansin, patuloy tayong tumutulong upang pagandahin ang ating komunidad at patuloy tayong binibigay ang ating mga ambag upang umunlad ang ating bansa. Because we believe that as LGBT people, it's not about being noticed. It's not about being acknowledged or recognized. It's always about giving our best despite what people are judging us. Kaya naman, mamamayan ng Quezon, look at your organizers, the hosts, the people of this community in this very event, who are the leaders, the LGBT members. Kaya naman, marapat lamang nabigyan natin ng karampatan na pagmamahal at respeto ang bawat LGBT members. Because believe me or not, only if our country will be diverse and inclusive enough, then there will be no doubt we will be the best leaders that we have. Because again, what a man can do, what a woman can do, That is why I would like to end my answer by simply telling you that yes, we are most of the time unnoticed and unacknowledged. Pero okay lang. Ayos lang kahit hindi nyo kami napapansin. Ayos lang kahit hindi nyo kami bigyan ng batas nakikilala sa amin. Ayos lang kung hindi nyo kami mahalin. Ngunit tandaan ninyo ito, anumang pagpipigil, anumang paghaharang, gagawin namin ang lahat. Mamahalin namin kayo, iyayakapin namin kayo ng buong puso. Dahil yan kami, kahit kami tinatalikuran, kahit di pinapansin, ibinibigay namin ang lahat para mapasaya at maging maunlad ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat.